Okay, so Jesse is about to put on our new topper. I think it's about the same size. What do you think? Is it gonna work? A beautiful Christmas tree. Absolutely beautiful.
Drinking Santana sham cause it's so crisp.
I don't think it's the real Santa. Look, there's another cruise boat. We should follow them. They probably know where all the good stuff is.
We should stop at one of the good houses so we can take pictures.
Well, no, leave the flash off because then you're trying to get the lights. Ooh.
It must suck to have your boat like on the water.
Are you Jewish?
Yep. In the big storage area, right?
With a twinkle in his eye. Merry Christmas to all. Now you're all gonna die. The night Santa went crazy. Happy birthday!
Okay, Frosty.
Happy birthday, baby Jesus! Or Moses?
Happy birthday, Jesus. Next boat, yell
Happy what? Happy Jude. Someone blew a fuse.
Smell it?
No, I'm saying someone's lights are out. Hey, we should steal Christmas lights.
Let's do it. What are you gonna do? Get chased down by the Coast Guard? It's a Jew boat. It looks like the little bus. You drive a short boat. They must have got to an accident and decided not to fix it. So they just cut it off.
That is seriously like the smallest cabin boat I've ever seen. What is it, like 17 foot? It's not bigger than this boat.
In the words of Jesse's team. He has Down syndrome.
Send Rose here, comfy, cozy on me.
Dude, how does he do that?
Turn around? I don't know, you should ask him.
What's life?
Hi, Peggy Jean.
All day.
Merry Christmas.
You watched that Mark Wahlberg talk to Christmas animals thing, right? Yeah. Where he goes up to the sheep, he's like, "Hey sheep, you were at the first Christmas, right? Did you know it was gonna be a big thing?"
Are you serious?
What?
It's so funny. He goes up to the sheep. You were at the first Christmas, right? At first I didn't get it, and then it like clicked. I was like, oh.
I figured it
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Say hi to your mother for me. Say hi to your mother for me. Hey donkey. I was hanging.
It didn't focus. Yoo-hoo!
Dude, that's like
We
intense
were
life
the
right
first day right together with you.
there. They went all out.
Look, there's coconuts in the tree too.
Dude, didn't we just pass it?
Should I tell them to get out of the way of the lights? You're in the way. Gosh.
Dude, that boat's got lights on it.
Hey, look at this house. This house is beautiful to the right.
Look at that boat.
Hey. Oh my God, someone killed Santa. Lots of Santa. Is that what happens if you're a mall Santa? They cut your head off?
Is that a Jew house or is that a Jewish Star house?
I think Jew stars have 7 points.
I think
Or
it's
6 points. 7
If
points.
you look on the Jeep, yeah,
It's a lot of.
that's the Down syndrome Jews.
I don't think those inflatable things are supposed to blink. That makes it look gay. Santa doesn't even fucking light up. His bulb is broken.
I think this is the yacht club up here. I'm not sure though. Yeah.
Sweet. I want a yacht.
Stop there.
Do they have the keys in them?
Yes.
Okay.
They probably also have the owners sleeping in them because they can't afford anything after they bought it. That's a drug runner right there. Why do you need 3 engines?
That house is fucking huge.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, do we need gas? We should fill up for free.
Yeah, right, dude. How much gas is on the water?
But it's just right there. But it's just right there. Is someone gonna stop us? I don't see anyone. It just says no smoking.
Dude, you guys want to give him like a quarter or something?
Can I sit on your lap? We have 3 hoes for you. 4, actually.
Who did you count out the first time?
I was thinking
You can turn, you want the lights on inside? There's like courtesy lights.
Blinky.
Santa's waving and looking at me. That's creepy.
Oh.
I thought that was real Santa. That was moved way too slow.
Hey, he has a satellite dish on his boat. That's awesome.
How else do you watch TV when you're like in Jamaica?
I guess you have to turn the satellite dish.
movies.
I bet that shit's automatic.
Yeah, probably.
Probably. These lights suck. They're horrible.
Yeah, they're not very creative.
Like there's a fan on top and there's a bunch of women around the phone. Looks like it could be though. Now you say that. Can I live with you?
I bet you have a spare room. At least 6 of them.
This little lighthouse.
I'll live in your sniper towers up on the top. Like Quasimodo. Sanctuary!
Here, I'll put it through the hoop.
That probably doesn't work too
Actually,
well. It's probably hitting
it's
right the bottom of the thing.
I can see perfectly fine through it. I'm just saying.
Take your word for it.
Just saying.
But I tell you what, if it has like a fucking handle in it, so it's gonna be a bitch slap.
Good choice.
This is Ron at TGI
He
Fridays
has a wall now.
with his boyfriend.